Waddle, waddle on the ground, happy duck goes all around. Hey kids, look who is saying quack quack here. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Duck loves to swim in the pond. Splash, splash, splash. Did you know ducks have waterproof feathers? Waddle, waddle on the ground, happy duck goes all around.
Flap, flap, little wings, listen how it sings.
Quack, quack. Quack. Do you like ducks? Comment dot below. Do you like ducks? Comment dot below. Subscribe, subscribe, don't be late. Fun and learning here are great. Fun and learning here are great. If you like my video, please subscribe for more fun videos. Bye. Quack, quack.
Let's learn with fun kids, yes we do. Let's learn with fun kids, me and you. Let's learn with fun kids, clap, clap, clap.
Hey kids, look who is hopping here. It's a cute little bunny. Bunny loves to eat carrots. Wow, it's tasty. Thank you, my friends. Hop, hop, hop so fast. Bunnies jumps and runs so fast. Do you like bunny? Comment rabbit below. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Bye! Rabbit waving? Let's learn with fun kids. Subscribe for more fun videos. Yay! Bye! Subscribe, subscribe, don't be late. Fun and learning here are great. Subscribe, don't be late. Fun and learning here are great. Subscribe for more fun videos. Bye!